Hello everyone, welcome to NAR Digital. My name is Anil. Today I want to show you a simple technique of creation of a video inside text as shown now on screen in Fusion in DaVinci Resolve. This is my first tutorial video, so without further ado, here is the video. In Resolve, start with a new project and name it Video in Text. Click on Create. In the Edit page, first import the clip we want to use inside the text. Right-click on Media Pool. Click on Import Media. This is the location where our file is. I will provide you a link in the description from where you can download the clip. Double click on it. Click on Change to the current project settings. Let's first bring this clip to the timeline to make it a 5-second clip. Right mouse click on it and select new compound clip and name it clip 1. Click on create. A 5-second clip is created and is placed in media pool. Delete it from the timeline. To make a video in text, we will make it through Fusion tab. So we will create a new Fusion composition by right mouse click in media pool and select new Fusion composition. Change clip name to Fusion Comp 1 and leave rest as default for duration 5 seconds and frame rate 25 and click on create. Now from media pool, drag Fusion Comp 1 to the timeline and mouse click on Fusion tab below. You will see Media Out 1 node in the below section under nodes is created. Just drag and keep it on the right hand side for the time being. Mouse click on the left empty space under nodes. Click on Text Plus and rename it to title by right mouse click. Click OK. Now click on the second small button or press the key 2 on your keyboard to view the content in the upper right side window. In the styled text, type title. Select font Open Sans and bold, which both are selected. So leave as it is. Leave color white. In size, change it to 0.2. In the tracking, change it to 1.25. Now drag clip 1 from media pool to below nodes area under title node and rename it to clip 1. Click OK. Now merge these both nodes by dragging clip 1 node output to title node output. You will see a merge one node will get created. Click on the second small button or press the key 2 on your keyboard to view the content on above right hand side window. On the right hand side in the inspector window, you will have the different parameters of this node. You will see under operator clip 1 is set as over, connected as foreground to merge 1. So change operator from over to in. You will now note the video gets inside the text. Above we will hide media pool window by clicking on it and expand above window to view it well above screen. Now to have another text line below title, drag text plus button to below nodes window under clip 1 node. Rename text 1 node to tagline, which is going to be the text of our second line below. While this node is selected, type in the styled text field on the right hand side tagline. Select font Courier New. Change size to 0.04. Now join the output of this node tagline to the output of merge 1 node and a new merge 2 node will be formed. Mouse click on the second button on merge 2 node or press 2 on your keyboard while merge 2 node is selected to view it on the above panel. Select tagline node and bring the tagline text below the title text, just below. Also change the tracking of tagline from 1 to 2. Also to have nodes better aligned under nodes area, right mouse click under nodes area, select arrange tools and select to grid option. This way we can manage the nodes well. Now we will create an horizontal line. To create the line that will be used in between the two text lines, title and tagline, mouse click on area below tagline node. Now click on the background tool and drag it below tagline node. Rename it to BG1. While it is selected, connect output of this node to the output of merge 2 node. A third merge 3 node will get created. On this node, click on the second button or press 2 on your keyboard to display the content of all display nodes built. You will note you have a black screen. Now select BG1 node And while this node is selected, in the right side inspector window, change color from black to orange. And you will see whole screen as orange. Now create a mask for making a straight horizontal line. While BG1 node is selected, mouse click on rectangle tool and you will see a rectangle 1 node is created connected to BG1. While rectangle 1 node is selected, in the right hand side inspector panel, change the width and height values. And through the y-axis, bring down the line between title and tagline. Just here. Now we need to create a background. To create background, mouse click below BG1 area under nodes. Now click on the background tool or click and drag it to below BG1 node. Rename it to BG2. While BG2 node is selected, change its color to light blue from the inspector panel on the right hand side. Mouse click on an empty space in front of BG2 node and below merge 3 node. Then mouse click on merge tool and you will see a merge 4 node will get created. Now connect out of BG2 node to the background yellow of merge 4 node and merge 4 foreground green color to merge 3 node. On merge 4 node, mouse click on second button or press 2 key on your keyboard to display the contents of all nodes built. Now create a scale animation. To do so, on merge 3, select this merge 3 node and mouse click on transform tool. You will see a transform 1 node will get created attached to merge 3. Rename it to scale animation. While scale animation node is selected in the above window, bring your cursor to the end of the clip at frame 124. Mouse click on diamond shape button in front of size field. In the inspector window right hand side, change size to 1.25. Now bring your cursor to the beginning of your clip at 0 frame and change size to 1. And click on play button and you will see the scale animation on screen. Now connect output of merge 4 node to the input of media out 1 node. And now click on edit tab. And here click on play button. And you will note red horizontal line above Fusion. Clip on the timeline will start getting blue. Once the whole line turns blue, the clip is ready for rendering. To render this clip, click on Deliver tab. Select second button option YouTube. File name, type video in text. Location, browse for location where you want to save the file. Change format to MP4, which is the common accepted format. Click on Add to Render Queue. Then click on Start Render button on the right hand side of your window. The file will get start rendering. Once the rendering is complete, click on the folder where you have saved this file. And play it to check how it looks. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you.